Ake siqale sibuke ukuthi uMkhwanazi ezefika ebe-uCommissioner wamaphoyisa usukaphi, babemsusephi waze wazoyizithola where this thing began. Asihlehle sibuyele emuva siye ecaleni laMchunu elwa noSihle Zikalala bebanga iprovince. That incident eyalidela ekuthenini kufa oMagaqa. Sihlehle sibuyele emuva siye eMgungundlovu, the same mayor eyayiyimeya eyabulala uMagaqa eyagcina isinikezwe isikhundla kwiprovince. That mayor was involved kuSenzo. Loyo mayor wayeyikhempu kaSenzo by that time. That's when uMagaqa exposer yonke le mfishimfishi ababenza lapha together noZweli Mkhize. That's where this thing began. Ngibuye ngize eMusadladla la asegijime waya khona. eMusadladla uSenzo Mchunu ubese out, ubese iphumile. Sengikhuluma ilanguage ka-ANC ke mina ngoba ngowakhona eMusadladla. Waphuma nini na uSenzo na? Waphuma uSenzo nomkakhe bakhishwa uMashaba. Ngifuna ukuyiqala lapho. The killing esikhuluma ngayo yonke lento le drive uSenzo. The time uSenzo ephuma ekhishwa uMashaba nomkakhe ngevoti, wahamba uSenzo wayokwakha eyakhe camp. Nanti icala labo ligijimisana kubangwa amavoti ukuthi ukhona uRobho omunye up until uSenzo iphume kwiJacob Zuma camp eyongena kwiRamaphosa's camp okwakuyithabo Mbhekisi camp by that time. NanguMashaba eba yimeya yoMhlathuze municipality, ephinda uMashaba eshaya umfazi kaSenzo owayeyimeya yedistrict eMhlathuze, wamshaya wamkhipha kube yimeya yedistrict yeMusadladla. Wabakhipha bonke nendoda konke baphuma nje bangabalutho kwangena iMashaba. Mashaba at that time he was a Zuma ally. The time iDA yenza lento eyenza ngenkandla, kukhandwa inkandla scandal, uMashaba nezakhe bahamba bayovimba iDA enkandla. The man eyalala phansi emgwaqeni emzini kaJacob Zuma ukuze uHelen Zille engangeni, that was uMhlongo. uMhlongo was my former mfana samkhulisa ka-Ward 32 eDlangezwa ehamba noMashaba. The time uMhlongo elele lapha ya uMashaba wathatha uMhlongo from nowhere, utshelwa yimi engikhulisa uMhlongo, wamenza imeya yaseMhlathuze. The mayor yaseMhlathuze wathi wena uzoba uchairperson, uzoba imeya yaseMhlathuze. Wasuka uMashaba wayoba kwidistrict. uMashaba kwidistrict wayecontesta, wayezoba unobhala or efuna ukuba utreasurer weprovince. The time bephusha uSihle Zikalala ukuthi akabe uchairperson weKZN. That's where the war begins. Khuluma nje ngeKZN angakhuluma ngokunye. Then uma uSihle isimshaya le uSenzo yablokha yonke into yami into kaSihle noSenzo up until kuyo iconference. Iconference yafika uMashaba esefile. uMashaba babeyo-attend i-meeting eyayiseThekwini. uMashaba iy'moto ezazithwele uMashaba nama-bodyguard zaba ne-accident eBhalito, wafayedwa uMashaba asinda ama-bodyguard. One of those bodyguard lila eMlazi kaJail hamba nge-wheelchair, angifuni ukusho ukuthi lithini. That's where this war division began. Thereafter kwasukuba nale NDZ nale Ramaphosa. Mind you Sihle wayekwi-NDZ, mind you Sihle uMchunu wayengekho kwi-NDZ. The time uJacob Zuma exosha uMchunu emehlisa ezo-premier, ngifuna ukuyilanda le ukuze niyizwe kahle, wasuka uMchunu kube no-premier after kube nokhetho, ukhetho langamvuna uMchunu lwayovuna uSihle, wathi uMchunu uyofaka icala ngoba kurojiwe. Zama lwami ukhetho lwaseKZN up until kwafika usuku lokuthi kuyiwe kwi-conference. Bahamba baya kwi-conference, la i-conference was sold. Mind you uMashaba wayengasekho, wayesefile. uMashaba akayibonanga leyo conference ngoba he was the one right now, right today ngabe upremier eKZN. Waphuma kanjalo uMashaba bambulala. Faka i-question mark between uSihle nomchunu nomkakhe, who plot to kill uMashaba, owayebukeka eyindlovu enamandla, wayendlovu enamandla, wayephethe iZululand yonke. Akekho. Kwasala leli iphiciphici elusihle. Then mabebuye kwi-conference sebeyidayisile i-conference, kwabuye kwazocontrola bona oSenzo noDidi Mabuza noRamaphosa bazothi-ke manje bafuna ukukhetha iPremier yase-KZN. That's when uSihle kwakumele compromise nemchunuzi camp. Kwimchunuzi camp kwakukhona uMabuyakhulu owayefuna ukustenda, efuna ukubuyela. Nazi ikandali zakhe zemali ayithatha yeconcert. That's when uDidi behla neRamaphosa's camp bazothenga lesi sinikiniki esiwusihle ukuthi wena nansi imali uhamba nathi or sikubeka eceleni sibeka uMabuyakhulu. That's when the move has changed. Wasuka uSihle wabuyela eMhlathuze eMusadladla wayobamba lesi sinikiniki esiwumduduzi. Semsinikiniki esumduduze sigcine sisolde out the ANC. ANC ithathwa uMashimane uyithatha kuye ngoba yena ubesengasekho kubantu selalela uSihle. uSihle semgroundisa. That's when oSenzo intervene. Lezi zinto eniyikhulumayo eniyibonayo lezi ukuthi oSihle noGwede Mantashe badayisa Richards Bay azisuki la zisuka lapho. That's when oSihle bekwazi ukucontrolwa iRamaphosa everything. That's when it sold. Uluze kanjalo ku-ANC uMhlathuze wakuluza konke. That's when-ke uNtuli ebenevavavrume enkandla, uNtuli econtrol inkatha because this ANC kaRamaphosa was shifted ingasekho kubantu. So-ke this thing ngiyaphi-ke nale commander, ngiyalana-ke ukuthi-ke lento ebhalwe la iyiyo, it's true. Why ngithi it's true? It's because of when this Ramaphosa's regime came to KZN, ba remove every Zuma's tonton, including their own okuwobheki Cele. Idlala kanjani ipolitiki? Nangu uRamaphosa noJeff Radebe kade bese KZN bathi bazolungisa iKZN, zafike zama ngonyawo olulodwa lezi zikaZandile Gumede bonke noMtolo bathi awukwazi, anikwazi nina Radebe nawe Mabuyakhulu ukusitshela lento enisitshela yona ngoba nina simdefendile. Ngamanye amazwi akho umuntu enzomxosha la, instead nizo-reappointa thina yithi abanikazi beKZN. Wama lapho kuchakide-ke manje akusamuveki whereby bebezo-remova laba bantu with the hope ukuthi bazoba-remova ebese bonke laba bantu bemengazwilinye bethathe bani umchunu bemfake ezu-chairperson we-KZN bathi baya-restorisha. That's the mandate kamchunu-ke la ayakhona to control. Ngiyaphi-ke nale? The same people ANC efuna ukubadampa are the same people who protected the same people ababadampayo. Ngikhuluma ngoMike Mabuyakhulu, ngikhuluma ngoSenzo Mchunu, ngikhuluma ngoDuma. uDuma uneskandali ethuka ubukhosi bamprotector bona same people. Ifike yastaka lapho-ke commanders inqola. Then underneath that people kunonathi Mthethwa la. Ngifuna ukunikhumbuza kunonathi Mthethwa la. KunoSihle manje abangekho happy ngeRamaphosa's camp ngoba basanikezwe ngama-portfolio ababuyisele emandleni. Yonke lento enziwa uSihle ezikalala kabalwa ukuthi uzobuyiselwa as what eKZN. Ngamanye amazwi the Ramaphosa wanted to shift the leadership entire, ifuna ukuletha abantu abangezubuza lutho abazojabulela ipower. The same Ndosi is outsourced because akukho la ebala khona uNdosi ukuthi uma kuthiwa iyabuyiselwa neseyingxoxweni akabizwa akekho. Asibuyeni-ke manje sibuyisele imiqondo sibe nama-sober senses like bani ozovuma. Mind you ukuthi the same ANC ayinayo leader erepresenta the KZN kwi-National High Command kwi-NEC phezulu. Why? Because of these people, because of oSenzo. So lena-ke nayi contract kaMkhwanazi ngifuna ukuza kule ukuthi kufika nini ukuthi umchunu efune ukujaha umkhwanazi. Umchunu akavedananga wajaha umkhwanazi, cha. Umchunu uze wahlakaza the task team political killing. Nazi ke izathu. It's because of inkabi eyabanjwa eMarine Hill iyanesibham eCape Town yayithunywe. It's one of them. Testify lokho lelo docket likumchunu likumkhwanazi. Umkhwanazi wabhala leso statement, number 1. Number 2, bonke labantu engibabalayo abafile baningi kakhulu. oJackson Mthembu ngababala ngaze ngimelwe ikhanda. Umuntu wasinda lapho uObed Mlaba basebemjaha naye ngemuva. uJames Nxumalo ulapha ya engeke nginitshele ukuthi ukephi, but he stand for the Ramaphosa's camp. Those people are the people behind the doors. Umkhwanazi the support uyithole in different detective. Kuno detective wala eThekwini wadutshulelwe eMega City hlezi nomuntu wesifazane. Lo muntu wesifazane till today ukuyikhoma, ngeke ngisho ukuthi wadutshulwa uba. Wadutshulelwe eMega City. The same man yadayiswa uzakwabo ngoba that man has exposed the haste yemoto zemali ezibanjwayo ukuthi obani ababehind kubo lamadoda eniwadefendayo. Same bantu bayazi ukuthi imoto zemali why zibanjwa kanjena na. That case iphi ilapha phezulu. Then njobethi umkhwanazi wonke ama-case amabi e-political killing induna njoba ibulalana kanje. Ngizohlehla ngize ngikhulume indaba engaphezulu. Even ukuhamba kwesilo kukulelo file. uShenge wathi uma iquestiona leyo akuphelanga ngisho amasonto amangaka uShenge lishoba laqonda. Wayebuza ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi umzala wami esuke endlini ekhwehlela kuthiwa uyagula ahambe olala eAlbert jikijiki akasabuyanga. Asishekeni futhi leyo. Why? Is because kwakufunekala Ingonyama Trust. Asibuyeni Ingonyama Trust ijahwe uMonhlante ehlangane nabelungu befuna umhlaba. Le uHelen Zille namanje amaclip asekhona ethi Ingonyama Trust inomhlaba ongakanani ongawunika abantu ekukhuluma into engekho because bafuna ukunifaka lento abafuna ukunifaka yona. Asibuyeni ke sizela kaMcunu. Wonke lamacala u120 wonke aqala kumkhwanazi. Akekho umuntu ola oshonile ifile lakho. So the question ke manje ithi why uSenzo egcume wakuhlakaza le task team? Incwadi nganisendela ubhalile we-awakha ama-reason is because they are covering each other. Nayi iphalaphala bamdefendile uRamaphosa esekuvezile umkhwebane bakhipha upublic protector bafaka owabo wayezodefend that thing. It's very long. Asikwazi ukuthi singathi le ayikho politically ngoba le isuka kwipolitiki before ifike la. Nampa baningi ngababala ngithini baningi. Nangu the same muntu wabulala uMagaqa ngewazi henga waqala wazama ukuyibulala. The same former mayor yasemzimkhulu yaqala yazama ukuyibulala before itholakala endlini ifile. Yazama ukuyidubula ngesibhamu sayo. Kwavela lokho emaphepheni after testify after this task team kaMkhwanazi ibuyile yazothi isibhamu esabulala uMagaqa isibhamu esibulale same person wabulawa eGauteng, isibhamu esabulala same person wabulawa eMpumalanga, isibhamu esabulala same person wabulala eLimpopo. It is the same gun ibikade yobulala somebody eCape Town kuShinkabi. Wonke lawo ma-testifies ahlezi lapha kuShedrack Sibiya. Wonke lamacala u102 akuShedrack. Angakakhulumi ngecala lasenze elinamafayili amabili elinamakhesi awu2, ikhesi yokuqala ikhuluma okunye, ikhesi yesibili ikhuluma okunye. Then bonke labantu imlomo yabo igcwele imvilophi nemali. Akakwazi ukungaba defend. njengoba eseshilo nomchunu ukuthi uma la ngiya phansi ngihamba ngedwa angihambi ngedwa is because uyazi ukhuluma ngani njobe baleka emusadladla ubuyela kwinikiniki zakhe asezikhandile ngoba lapha ya sebeyikhandile lezi nikiniki zemali lapha ya so ke nje hayi le nje command iqondile ngoba siyayazi isuka thina sasisagijima nabo siyazazi ikandali zabo lesikhuluma ngayo siyayazi nanguya ubaba bemthuma ubaba omdala kuthiwa akayoshayisa imoto kaJacob Zuma isuke eshowe siyabazi labo bantu ukuthi abasukanga ezulwini basuka ku-ANC lo baba icala lakhe uma nganibuza nina liphelele iphi nike naphinde nje nezwa liqulwa ukuthi indoda efuna ukushayisa umkhulu ebuye eshowe ngemezi ngeBM yeyikuphi cha niphindanga nalizwa liphi lelo cala ingoba leyo ndoda yabanjwa yatestifya yasho yabalista laba bantu abayinikeza imali niphinde nayizwa no aniphindanga nayizwa because yayikhokheliwe ukuthi hambe usubulalele lo wamuntu kuningwe ema-comrade it's just that nje la kumkhonto kunabantu abaningi abakade bengayilandeli ipolitics some of these things abazazi isukaphi siyazazi-ke thina lezi zinto isukaphi lo senzo nje lwabamsukeli thina sisuka naye kude sisuka naye kude kabi sazi yonke imikhuba yakhe yasemusadladla lapha ya kwimusadladla yithe bakhona siyayazi lemgilingwane abamsukeli lo is a smallest poison uNdosi uhlala eRichards Bay kwisection ebizwa ngokuthiwa kuse5 umuzi wakho lapho uNdosi umchunu uhlala umchunu noma buyakhulu bawomakhelwane bahlukaniswe ijalide elilodwa empangeni akuthatha ngiyokubeka khona sekutshela ke ngalabantu engikhuluma ngabo yigebengu lezi inkunzi malanga ama-serial killer if you can call it ababasukeli akekho ukhansela wase-Ward 32 la umhlongo wayephuma khona uMpungoso wafa ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi wabulawa yini because he revealed some of these things akekho wayesebenza eFeb abafunda ongoye bayamazi wabulawa umhlongo ngopoison wagula wafa lo poison ka-ANC asuqabuki siyawazi mdala subaqedile abantu manje nithini ke nini nithi ayikho political cha ipolitical it's because umkhwanazi isiningi lento and ibithi uzoze phelelwe icontract bemsuse ngoba ubesemva kwabo nayi warehouse same premier nomkhwanazi abayivumbulule lapha yani eMtateni eMia Bank phansi lapha ya the same warehouse umuntu okade isayinele it's one of the political party ibikhokhelwa uANC iwarehouse as if istorish izinto zeANC ngabe ziyikhipha mayisuka la isuka khona kwishipment kanti kukhulunywa ngesizinda sama drugs asifuna ukukhuluma indaba eningi kodwa siyayazi lo information iyabhalwa la bese beyihliphisa bona umchunu lapho